guys, and welcome to this video. Now this video is going to be my outcry to those of us who forget to take care of our oh so precious skin and then realize that we don't want to spend thousands of dollars on our skincare. So this is going to be me chatting about my most preferred skincare brand that has me surprised with real visible improvement to all my sunspots, my damage, and the overall health of my face. Now, mind you, I do not have any affinity to this brand, but given the ability of any individual to be able to really alter the products of this brand to your own skin issues is just amazing. What I necessarily mean by this is that since all of their products are mainly clinical formulations, it works great for someone who has a basic understanding of their skin and wants to target only specific concerns. Also, it definitely does not hurt the pocket with its affordable products and almost a detailed support through its descriptions of how you can use to improve your skin. But before I start to share the products I have been using, let me first share with all of you what are the problem areas on my skin and what I have been focusing on with these products and necessarily what worked where. So firstly, I have pigmentation, and for all those beautiful people out there trying to get rid of uneven skin tone, I think this one product is really going to work for you, which is why I have deliberately added the Ordinary's Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution to my night regimen. Quick disclaimer here, I would not suggest you to ever use this in the morning. Any hour in the morning does not work. It does not make sense since the product would necessarily make you sensitive, and that is exactly what we do not want. Also, I cannot say this enough, but whether you like these products that I'm reviewing and sharing with you or not, it is not important. But don't forget your SPF. It is supposed to be your ride or die for the perfect skin that you would ever want. So that was my 2 cents. But now back to my roundup. So I use these with soft Amazon purchased cloth swipes to really apply this all across my face after I have washed it with a cleanser. It also helps to reduce any residue dirt or really makeup from the day, but also get your skin's natural texture and health back to where it was supposed to be. Now, as you can see, this is my new bottle. I did not want to bring out the old one because unfortunately on a travel trip, I lost the cap and I've been using a shampoo cap instead of the original, which is not something you want to show on camera. So here is the full bottle that I normally try and keep one in my kitty. So if I ever run out of the old one, I have something to fall back on. Anyways, let's move on to the next product that definitely helps with brightening, which is the Squalane face wash. Now, this product, as you can see, is almost over. I have been using this for quite some time and I really need to replenish my stack of these cleansers. But what's more important about this product is that it is thick and can really double down as a makeup remover as well. Though I have not tested it like that, but whenever I have used this, it's always on a drier face because you have to rub it in the palm of your hand and then apply it on your face. So even though this does feel very much like a makeup remover and almost creates that oil-like consistency when you rub it on your palms, this has absolutely no oil in it, so it's great because it doesn't get you oily, it doesn't make it very harsh on your skin, it's very gentle and really calming to your face. This has definitely become my go-to product, mainly because it doesn't really dry out or even burn my skin when my skin is actually feeling a little bit too sensitive or I have been out in the sun and I really need something just to calm up my pores. So this is definitely something you should look at. Now, like I was mentioning, we are specifically targeting the uneven skin tone and pigmentation, which is where I have seen results with these products, which is why I have added 100% ascorbic acid powder to my regimen. Now, this is especially again for the evening when I need that extra boost of vitamin C to really work through the night. Now, this powder should be used in the littlest amount, which is why I think they also give you this little spoolie. It's the cutest little spoolie, but I almost used half of it, which makes sense because this product can be a little too strong for the night. And if you do feel some form of irritation, it's best to have a derma's opinion on it, but this is something that definitely worked for me, which is why I'm sharing it on this video. Now, because this is a powder, in my case I use it with the Resveratrol solution, which is almost a base that I can use my vitamin C with, so that it can really flourish and work its magic on my pigmentation. Now, what do I use in the morning, you ask? Well, I do ensure to add eye care to my morning regimen. So right after my face wash with the Squalane cleanser, I go in with my caffeine drops, which is the Ordinary's caffeine solution, specifically for my eye contour pigmentation. And then I go in with my vitamin C of the morning, which is the 15% ascorbic acid solution. Now, I will be linking all the details of these products in the description box down below. Now, because this is topical vitamin C, I cannot stress this enough, but you have to follow it up with a good layer of sunscreen to really keep your skin at its best and protected. Else, the amount of repair that we have been trying to get with all of these products will really fall short of the excess sun damage that we are going to be seeing with no sunscreen. Now, that is all for my go-to most important skincare products for that balanced, toned, healthy skin. I know a lot of you had been asking me what is my skincare routine, so here you go. This is purely for my pigmentation. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. But until then, you take care, love yourself, and stay hydrated. Bye. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.